NUP is our party. NUP is our party. NUP is our party. Kyagulanyi is our president. Kyagulanyi is our president. Kyagulanyi is our president. Kyagulanyi is our president. Symbol. Umbrella is our symbol. Umbrella is our symbol.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Everywhere.
NUP.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Thank you very much. Nandi Deva wano. Basebo ne banyabo kya kitibwa nnyo okwaniriza mu kibiina kya National Unity Platform ekiri wansi w'ekisinde kya People Power, muganda waffe, mulwanyi munnaffe era mukulembeze munnaffe, Right Honorable Speaker wa Kampala,
People Power,
muganda waffe
People Power,
Kawalya Abubakar.
Katunuze eri, kakyuse. Kakyuse. Sebo wekitiibwa jangu wano ku podium.
Our power.
People power.
His Excellency, the next President of Uganda, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Segirinya Muhammadi is my name, Lord Councillor representing Kawempe North, MP2B Kawempe North constituency. It's my pleasure today that I'm officially a member of NUP party. Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, I've been traveling from village to village mobilizing the masses that we must support Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu as the next president of Uganda. I'm assuring you we will win with 95% respectively. Secondly, as I've got this opportunity to talk with this gathering, let me assure the people of Kawempe North constituency, the next MP of Kawempe North constituency with the credentials, with the capacity, with the capability, is none other than Segirinya Muhammadi. People power, our power. Thank you so much, Mr. President. People power, NUP,
Everywhere.
everywhere.
NUP.
Banasangaire okubabona
Ite tusangaire.
tusangaire ino Mr. President bwe twawe erina lyangobye busogere erina eryo ikulu ino wabwe tuba tukola emikolo egy'okutyamya kyabazinga ku ikonero ngobi n'atyamya kyabazinga ku ikonero ekitegeeza nti muyige erire eryo kyeririjja okukola ninze swengere erye muyige ino gale kigabagase ga mu kyalo ntambwire ni muganda ngoyo Kasolo Alton okotya Meya Jinja City gye twafuna empyaka y'edinda ono ni meya waayo tusigaire bw'abantu kutukakasa inisu titwadigula edijja okulayira Mr. President twikirize ife twetaayo eyo esebo.
People power. Our power.
Excellency the President, the Secretariat, distinguished members of National Unity Platform in Uganda and the world over. The media ladies and gentlemen, it's my singular honor and pleasure to be here with you on this eventful day when I, in my capacity as the Kampala Authority Council Speaker, together with my colleagues, with a remarkable number of council members in charge of the capital city, make the right decision of joining National Unity Platform, a new political party anchored on the people power agenda. When I said this, I mean it. Mr. President, I want to assure you that even others are still coming. I have managed to get only 7 members, but I assure you, by the end of this month, the whole of Kampala will be shining with color red all over. In the same spirit, Mr. President, allow me to applaud you for being a visionary and taking a step in the right direction by offering a change-seeking forces the NUP podium, hence further guiding the struggle. My dear comrades in the real struggle, Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi aka Bobby Wine is an answered prayer because there has never been a chance like this to have such an appealing candidate to the majority of Ugandans, and there will be no other chance. For those ones who know, you know. We've had leaders, but I think he's the best of this generation. My comrades in the real struggle, I pledge ultimate support to my president and our party to mobilize at full capacity, hence canvassing support for NUP throughout the entire Kampala and the whole of Uganda, which falls under my jurisdiction, being the Speaker of our beloved city.
So, mezeno, nesimye nnyo kubanga ndi maaso ga president yagenda okulembera eggwanga lino. Mu nnaku ezikyali entono ennyo. Ekyo nze buli lwembeera ngamba Allah wa buyinza. Ebigambo bangambye eddakiika 2. Kyentegeza abantu mwenna abali wano, mbadde chairperson wa FDC caucus, naye kati si kyali chairperson wa FDC caucus. Ndi chairperson wa NUP party. Era sebo tukutegeeza Mr. President nti ffe tuli ba mukisa, ffe tusoose okusooka okubeera b'authority councillors aba NUP. Era twamaze dde okuwandiikira buli gwe kikwatako office ya speak eya Red Mayor nti ffe tebaddamu tuyita ba FDC. Tuwandiikidde Anthony General akyuse okulayira kwaffe, amannya gaffe mu gazeti gabeere nga Nakabugo Farida NUP party. Bakansala bange Zamini bonna bali kakiiko Masunge aka NUP party. NUP etandise n'ensonga era etandise n'abantu ate nga bakulembeze. Era sebo okumanya tweronze dda nkwanjulira Tabalamule, Honorable Tabalamule Road Councillor ye Chief Whip ow'abakansala aba NUP party. Emirimu gy'ekibiina sebo President twatandise dde ogitambuza mpaka nga tumaze okufuna obuwanguzi. Tukusuubiza nti tuli bantu bakozi, ne gye tuvudde tulese bakaaba maziga. Era tugenda kukolera ddala tubalage nti tetuvuddeyo mu bubi naye tuvuddeyo mu kulaba amazima n'ekituufu. Ate ekisinza otusanyusa nti we tuli tutebenkedde tuli waka ddala. Ekyo kyekisinza okunsanyusa kyoba olaba mbadde nkolera ewa neighbor nenteekamu amaanyi gonna ate olwo ewange wenzadde kijja kusukka. Mwebale nnyo.
Kino kye kiseera kye tulina okulwana mu biseera